All right, guys, so we're here at the Generational Wealth Workshop here in Queens at the Radisson Hotel. Looking forward to seeing everybody here. It's going to be a great event filled with rants and gems. We're talking about financial planning, insurance planning, estate planning, business structure, and tax strategies, credit, hard money loans, and we're talking about an opportunity zone in the real estate investment market in Cleveland, Ohio. Hope you enjoy it.
Matthew, thank you so much for doing this. There are so many people who need this, and I was happy to be out here to receive all the information that you had here. Thank you again.
I thought it was amazing information, especially me being young and new to the real estate industry.
Very informative. We learned about taxes, finances, real estate, everything that our people need to learn. Amazing seminar. I've been to a couple before. This one's super informational. All the different aspects from credit to actual real opportunities.
The best thing to do is get knowledge and put it to action. Great workshop.
If you missed out, you definitely have to attend the next one.
We learned so much about business planning and estate planning, and we're looking forward to the next one.
We just finished the Generational Wealth Workshop. Man, this event was so mind-blowing, so much education. We went over the time like I expected. We went to about 4 o'clock. I was trying to end it at 3, but when the gems are dropping at a rapid pace, sometimes you just gotta let it flow. Thank you for everyone who came out tonight. It was a great, amazing event. It was so good to meet so many of you face to face. You have the information, you have a plan. Now what are you going to do with it? We can lead you to the water, but we can't make you drink. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on my next Rants and Gems session on my live.